What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, so stick around. Welcome back and let's get straight into the unboxing. Cutting off the protective tape and lifting the lid on the box for the very first time, we're presented with the Galaxy Note 9 itself. We'll go ahead and place that off to the side. Also included in the box is a pair of AKG earbuds, a SIM ejector tool, and also a tool for replacing the tip on your S Pen, a USB Type-C charging cable, as well as a fast charger. I'm going to be making a comparison video between the Note 9 and the iPhone XS Max, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron and I'll see you guys on the next one.